Yeah.
Okay.
Take with life, huh? Okay, so.
Pa không có sự.
So we'll make a sushi right now, okay? That's how you do it.
Billy, you're the man.
Thay chế là chưa thay quá.
Anh nhổ lên nhổ lo. Cái tua bây giờ.
Flame the fish right now. Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna flay this. It's all done. Got my flays over here. Alright. Hell of fish right there. Striper here too. Alright. You guys, check this out. Red snapper, sushi right here. Wasabi. And clam claws right here. Wasabi right here. We don't use the soy sauce. We use it seasoning sauce. Way better. More flavor. Check it out. $1.99. Don't know. Okay. Let me try one right now for you guys, alright? Clam claw review right now. Oh yeah, good shit. There's a lot of, I'm sure there's a lot of clams without claws right now out there, right? Oh, real good, guys. Now try it out, clam claw. I'm gonna get the box for you guys. Check this out. This is what the box looks like. Arctic soaked clam. This is the claw of a clam. It looks like this. Alright, so this is what it tastes like. It's real good. You guys check it out. It's like sushi. Only that, we're also doing striper tonight. Check this out. 25-inch striper right here. Alright, it's frozen right now. We're trying to defrost it right now. This catfish right here. This catfish is gonna be the shit right now. Alright, we're trying to defrost it right now with some hot warm water. Guys, let's try it out some more. This time I'll try with the chopstick. Just try some of this red snapper right here. Fresh off the ocean. Just caught it at the Highway 1. Highway 1. Alright, I'm gonna try the clam claws right now. There we go. Clam claw. So it looks like dipping in wasabi sauce right here. Alright, try this out, you guys. Here we go. Oh, good. It goes right up to my nose, my brain. Good shit. Alright, tôi nữa. Bỏ cái nhà tiền nữa. Chính mình, come man. Tôi là có钱này. Ta tạo cho tôi cho cá tao xía này, chỉ cho nó này. Tôi nữa. Bên nó tôi tung càng kề bên nó nhồng sao?
Bây giờ chúng một cặp bút thì bên nó nhồng sao?
Yeah, there's Captain Morgan right here. Captain Morgan's in the house. And Mr. Heine over here.
His name's part like James, John.
I don't know. Red snapper. Steamed red snapper right here. What it looks like, guys. Check it out. Straight up Sacramento River here. Ooh. Good shit. Có chứ chỉ cái gì
Không xí này cái tới cũng chỉ lấy một hồ là cũng có cho nên tôi là nó to rồi đấy.
Ồ, thằng nào thay hả? Buffalo penis. Too long inside.
Chỗ nhà chứ không có một con chó một thì anh để chơi chả được trục của tao.
Chỉ mong là chả nó lại
chỉ rồi tôi xíu khá là lại lúc nào sẽ tới hơn.